Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Strategic Management. Hope everyone's having a great week. This is Dr. Neil Armstrong, your professor, going over exactly what we kind of want to look at for this week. If you look at the overview page on this, you see Dr. Agee giving kind of a great outline of exactly what we want to talk about this week. Talking about effectiveness and appropriateness of very corporate level strategies. So we have related and unrelated diversification. It's one of the ones we're talking about on this. And we're going to analyze the impact of international factors on organizational strategy on that as well. For the most part, we're looking at chapters 7 and 8 of the textbook this week. I'm going to go ahead and click on this week as well so we can actually see kind of what we have to do this week. As always, we have that week 4 devotional. We'll have that's due on day 1. Day 3, the initial post of your discussion board post is due, and then you'll have post on at least 2 of those other students' pages, or on my response as well, due by day 7 on this. And you have the week 4 quiz and the week 4 analysis and application questions on this that are due on day 7. So that's kind of what we have going on this week. It's going to be a very interesting week. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July and had a great break week. Some of you continue to work, and I've definitely worked on some of those items and commented on different things as well. If you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.